Welcome to your first Gravity Sketch onboarding room. In this series, we'll teach you different tools so you can begin your 3D creation journey. Each room contains video guides and activities so you can practice as you follow along. If you complete all videos and activities in the 5 rooms, you will be granted a Gravity Sketch Designer certification, which can be obtained through Credly and sent directly to your landing pad email. You can pause, rewind, and adjust the volume of these videos at any time. To do this, reach out with your dominant hand and use the index trigger to press the pause button, change the volume, or drag the playback slider here. First, let's make sure you've selected your correct dominant hand. Your dominant hand, or the hand you typically use to draw with, is the controller with the translucent gray grab sphere around it here. To switch handedness, tap the bottom of your controllers together like this. Now I'll switch back. Holding your controllers out in front of you, you'll see we have our grab triggers on the interior of our controllers. At the top of our controllers, we have our index triggers. On the face of your controllers, you have a variety of buttons and a thumbstick on each one. Now let's learn to move around our space. Take your non-dominant hand and squeeze down the grab trigger. If I pull my controllers toward me while holding down the grab trigger, I will move forward. If I push it away from me, I'll move backwards. I can also move up, down, left, and right. Rotating your hand while holding down the grab trigger will rotate you in the room. Now, to continually move forward, notice how I gesture out in front of me, press down on that grab trigger in my non-dominant hand, and then pull towards myself. Then I'll let go and repeat the same action. This applies to moving in any direction you please. If this is your first time in VR, we recommend turning on our vertical lock feature. You can access vertical lock by pressing the blue general menu button, then going to the settings icon, then to sketching aid. Select the icon with the arrow pointing up here. When vertical lock is selected, you'll be locked in an upright position. Feel free to switch back if you're more comfortable with it off. Now press the blue menu button to remove the menu again. Once we've got the hang of moving around, let's navigate through the hoops to the right of you. Notice how I proceed with that same action that we just learned. Once you've made it over to the next stage, we'll learn about the next part of navigation, which is scaling. Welcome to your first Gravity Sketch onboarding room. In this series, we'll teach you different tools so you can begin your 3D creation journey. Each room contains video guides and activities so you can practice as you follow along. If you complete all videos and activities in the 5 rooms, you will be granted a Gravity Sketch Designer certification, which can be obtained through Credly and sent directly to your landing pad email.